Hey guys, what's up? This is sahilvatsyt and today I'll show you that how can you use your DSLR camera as your webcam. Okay, so in the previous videos I told you that how can you use your smartphone camera as a webcam. So in this video, for better quality, you can also use, if you have the DSLR camera, you can also use your DSLR camera as your webcam and use it on OBS for live streaming or for Zoom meetings and all. So it will give you a advantage over a video quality. Okay, so this is my DSLR camera. So this is Nikon D3300. Okay, and so basically there are two ways from which you can connect your DSLR and use it as a webcam. First way is to order a video capture device. So for in first way you need to pay out some extra bucks and you have to order a video capture device from Amazon, Flipkart or wherever you want. Okay, so first is this: you just connect it like a USB and connect it with your camera and it will easily work. And also for the best quality without any distortion, you need to use video capture device only. So this is the first method. You just order the device and it is very easy to use. Just plug it in on your laptop and connect it with the camera and it will set it up very easily. Okay, so now the second method is you can use a software. For this you don't have to pay extra money for the software. The software is Digicam Control. So first of all, you can find the list of the supported cameras over here, that which all camera is supported. Okay, so there are many Nikon, most of the Nikons and Canon cameras are supported over here. So there may be few which are very outdated, but since I am using D33, it's already very old. So if that is supported, so I guess most of the models are supported only. Okay, Sony cameras are also supported and there are certain other cameras also. Okay, so first just check out the supported camera. After you checked out the supported cameras which this software supports, so after that you need to go on the download page. I'll provide the link in the description. Okay, and in the download you need to download this stable version and install it. Okay, you not need to download the beta version because these are for testing only. Like they have some new features, but these can be buggy. So beta versions are basically made for tester and give their feedback so that they can improve their bugs and provide you a stable version in the next update. So you have to download this Digicam Control stable version. Okay, so for this you should have a window. This is very basic, and you should have Microsoft.NET Framework 4.6. So this is also included in Windows 8 and Windows 10. Okay, which most of you must be using right now. So after that, when you download, then install it. So after installing, the icon will be like this. So just click on the icon and open this application. So it will open like this. So now you can see it is open. So now what you need to do, you will find many settings. You don't have to do anything. Now you need a cable. Okay, so this is the cable you get with your DSLR camera. You can see it over here. So what you need to do, connect one side with your DSLR. I'll show you. Okay, so here is the port from where you can connect it out. So you have to connect in AV out port. Okay, which you will find out very easily in your DSLR camera. So wait a sec. So this side, this one, you have to put it down here. Okay, and the second side you have to connect it with your laptop. And you are done. You don't have to do anything right now. It will auto detect your camera. And yes, you need to turn on your camera. Okay, after just you click on turn on, see it will capture it by its own. Okay, so you can see that my camera is showing it over here, and also I got the notification that camera is connected. So now what you need to do, you need to this LV, this is the live view button. So you need to click on this. So you will see the shutter speed of my camera. So it has been connected. So now if you don't want to see, this is very close to the subject, so that's why it is unable to focus. Okay, but now if you want to focus by its own from here only, so you can just click on autofocus over here. Okay, so it focus it by its own. Okay, so just see it over here. Like, you can like autofocus because the subject is very near, so I am unable to show you like this. So you can like this, you can just use your DSLR as a webcam, and after that when you are connected with this, so you can just